So apparently visuals, the OBS wasn't capturing OneNote for some reason, so I guess I have to resort to display capture. So a friend of mine said they wanted help on vectors, arrays, and I said, okay, you want a video? They said sure. So I was like, okay, I'll make a video for you, man. So here's a video for you. This is my third time recording this video. The first time Visual Studio crashed. The second time my whole computer crashed. Let's hope nothing happens this time, for God's sake. Arrays are like big connected boxes in memory, and they store stuff. Excuse my bad drawing. I'm not the best artist, but I think it's good enough. It's good enough. Deal with it. They store stuff. You can store like ints, strings, jars, whatever the hell you want in there. And they, because sometimes you just don't want to make like thousands of variables just to do stuff. They 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 start from 0. So this is index 1, index 2, and I am very good at counting. Index 0, index 1, index 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, you get the point. This is how they're numbered, and you can store stuff in them. Arrays have a this is a size 5 array. This is a size 6 array. Size 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And it will only have 6 slots. 6 slots. It will always have 6 slots. Arrays are limited to the amount of space when you declare them. So let me open up Visual Studio and type some code. Oh, what the hell? Nice. Love it. Love Visual Studio. Favorite thing ever. Arrays.cpp. So how you would just use an array is just by including the array header. Array, then just gonna do the standard stuff. What the hell, auto formatting? So the syntax for the array is like this. You type array, give the type. I'll make oh look, Visual Studio even reminds you. Nice. Give the type. I'll make it int. Then you set the size of it, which I'll make it 5, like in the drawing. Give it a name, my array, because I'm great at naming things. As we all know, programmers are the greatest people of naming things in this world. And now you can store stuff in it. Like, let me just make an int, my int equals 6. And how you would, actually let's just put it here so it's like more chronological. Put it here so it's more chronological. How you would access how you would put the my int into the my array is by accessing the indexes like this. So my array square bracket 0 is basically equivalent to calling this specific index in the whole array. So my index 0 equals my int. Now if you do this, oh, gotta include IOStream. Yep. Forget stuff sometimes, and then you run it. Just give it some time. Oh, what the hell, Visual Studio? Are you okay? Okay, let's hope no problems this time. That's such a high effort video. I love it. See, 6. Get 6. Because you put my int at index 0 of my array. And you know, you can add more stuff to it. Int more int equals 8 cout and then you can add my array index 1, which is calling this. Let me close the terminal for a second, which is calling this index now. So now basically this will be 6 and this will have 8 in it. Oh, I am so good at drawing. So I have 8 in it. 1 equals more int. Very awesome. And now if you run it, it should give us the expected 6 and an 8. But you know, as you all know, I gotta go over some mistakes. If you set it to type int, it can only be type int. So let's make a flow. Actually, no, let's make a char. No, wait. Actually, let's put a string in there because strings are pretty cool. I like strings better than chars. Include string. Yes. So now, if we do this, well, Visual Studio is going to remind us anyways, but I'll just do it for the sake of education. I just set it. Index number 2 equals Gura. Visual Studio will already remind you no suitable conversion function from standard string to int, because my array was made for ints, not strings. So if you run it, you're gonna get some long ass errors. Yeah, basically. If you do want to put your Gura into an array, obviously just make a string array. Come on, let's do that. Okay, look, VTubers, hell yeah. So now what you should do is add some spacing. Now I will put Gura into the VTubers array, and then if we just see out VTubers, then index 0. What the hell? Nice formatting, Visual Studio. Did I accidentally press spacebar? Probably just me. I'm sorry, Visual Studio. I didn't mean to do this to you. If you do that, you will get VTubers. Yes. Very nice. Very nice stuff. What else is there to cover? Is there anything else to cover about pointers? Okay, let's do some common stuff your probably book or college professor is gonna make you do. How would you go through a array? So let's just make an array of int size 5. Just gonna give the same naming scheme as before. We're gonna use a for loop, and if you look at the docs over here, the standard array has a function called size, and it returns the number of elements inside. So let's just do for int x 0. X is less than my array dot size, and then you can do x plus plus standard for loop stuff, and then you can do like see out see out index x, which is actually I'll just call this index for naming purposes, is my array at index, yeah. So now let's just fill up this array a bit with like, just you know, I'm lazy as hell. Let's just do this. I wish I was using Vim right now. One, two. If I was using Vim, kind of make my life easier, but you know, you don't always get what you want. Nice. 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So now if you run it, it will. Okay, wait, I'm stupid. Hold on. Index, hold on. Contains. Yeah, seems about right. Just gonna add it for readability's sake. And oh my god, I am so good at formatting, but you get the point. Index 0 contains 0, index 1 contains 1, index 2 contains 2. I'm very good at formatting. Is there anything else? You should probably read the CPP reference on this. Pretty good. Like, just read it. I'll leave a link in. What the fuck? There's tons of stuff that you can know about if you just read the docs. That's it. See ya.